Okay, so there's one vehicle I get more excited to film than any other. It's the Ford Bronco. Absolutely love it. So guess what I get to shoot today? Ford Bronco. Oh yeah, and it's a really good looking Bronco. It's a Black Diamond, this cool silver color. Let's go check it out. Ooh, look what I get to drive today. And my favorite part, there it is. So let's see if I can still remember how to drive a stick shift. Park and brake off. If you haven't driven the Bronco yet, definitely get an opportunity to go to your local dealership. You can find them. It's super fun to drive. You know, it's that whole sitting up high thing is one, but it just drives and handles so nice. It doesn't drive like a car. It doesn't really drive like a truck. It has that own little like boxy kind of feel to it. This is a soft top. One thing to keep in mind if you are looking at the soft top, there is outdoor noise. I don't know if you can hear it. I tried to be quiet right there. So you can definitely hear some outside noise. It's part of owning one of these things. So a couple of things that I noticed right off the bat that I really do like. This one being a stick shift, I like stick shifts, but obviously they come in automatic as well. You've got the steering wheel is soft, and it sounds, I don't know, silly to even talk about, but I like that. Your hands are on the steering wheel the whole time you're driving, right? So that's one of the most important things to me, that and the seat. These seats are super comfortable. You know, I'm older, I got back problems, etc. It's always good to have as much support as I can get. Everything is in reach, right? Like this one right here, the stick shift's obviously right there. You got all your four-wheel drive, low, high, two-wheel drive, right within reach. The controls for all of your air conditioning settings, etc. are right here, very easy to control. It's basic. This isn't your luxury edition. This has all the essentials in there, right? It has your controls, your temperature, where you want the air to come out, etc. Super easy. And then on the actual touchscreen itself, you've got everything from your audio controls to your phone controls, apps, settings, and then features of the vehicle, which is kind of nice. You have driver's assistance, owner's manuals, etc. One of the odd things I was just looking at is that to roll the windows down, it's here in the center, but you have control over all those. Same thing with the two side mirrors. You got controls in the center console. So the big thing when you get one of these Broncos is it seems like you're always upgrading, you're always adding stuff to it. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 auxiliary switches right up here that you can add all your different lights, etc. right there. And here's your cluster that I was talking about. And you can change all this stuff out and about. There's different things you can view. And the way I'm getting these to change is I just stopping it here. Change it up there. So here's that driver's side door. Pretty basic, like I said. All your to control the windows are in the center console. This is just for your door locks. A little cargo mat cover here, and then the doors will also come up and out. Kind of a small thing that's kind of cool is that this handle, it says Bronco right there, so that's kind of cool, and it has the blue on there, like that as well. But I like the main use for it, to grab it and to get out of the vehicle, or vice versa, grab it to get in. Another thing that I personally really think is kind of neat and kind of cool is you have drain plugs down there. So you can literally like hose this down and then drain it through the bottom. Oh yeah, another handle right here. And then it's got the second one over there. So imagine what you must be doing for that passenger to be holding on to both of those handles. You're going crazy. Another kind of small and could be meaningless thing to some of you guys is below the shifter, you have this really cool little Ford badge. I don't know what it is, it's a little touch. So it's not just bland, it actually has something right there. And then embedded on both the seats is that Bronco. All right, let's jump into the back seat, check out the room here. Door, once again, basic with that. I don't know, it's made rugged. Once again, another cool thing, look at that. Boom, pull that drain plug, wash off the interior. All right. Oh yeah, this has plenty of room, it's good. I was in the front seat. I had it a little bit farther back, about 5'10", 5'9", 5'10", and I still have plenty of leg room here. Plenty of headroom, as you can tell. Yes, you can hear the noise. Not the most quiet car, but you're not buying a quiet car. You're buying an off-road Bronco. Not a step. Don't jump into the front seat from here and use that as a step. But below that, you have windows and charger. Windows and charger. And then these back seats will fold down 60-40, so you fold down either one side and it leaves you room to go straight into the trunk, and then or this side that I'm sitting on can actually fold down, and then you'll still have room to sit on this side if you have something a little bit bigger, a little bit wider in the back there. All right, I did just find one thing that I don't like about the Bronco. These are hard shells. When you get out and bang your knee on it, ooh, it stings. Oh, you hear that? That's solid, I like that. Got your spare tire right here. I'll show you something here. That'll open. Obviously the back is still closed out. Pops out. Now there are accessories you can buy for this back. You can check it up on Ford.com, but they actually have like these grill stands, etc. See how it says accessory ready? And you can add to the back. You can also add a couple accessories back here. They have locking boxes, etc. Whole ton of goodies to get for these Broncos. So with this, there's actually two latches back here that lift up. And then you just lift it up. And then there's a little kickstand, as I like to call it. That holds this part up. So now with that open, you have access. Come back in, look through. Sides are easy access for your lights. You got a couple back lights here along with a 12 volt. I'll pop this guy open. Right there you have your jack. A little extra storage. Tie downs. So you can put a mat back here and hold something down if you had that. 60-40 fold down seats. You just pull on this thing here and let it go. The head of the seat's still up so it's not flat, but you see how that kind of expands out to give you more room. I think you have a normal hatch on an SUV that would go up, right? Goes all the way up. This one instead goes out. Once it goes up, it deems that upper part useless, right? Because it's hanging upside down unless you want to hang clothes off of it. Dry, maybe. Hey, maybe you have wetsuits or something like that you're trying to dry. You can do that here too. Obviously, you can hang it from here. But with it open, it allows you the ability to do different things with the door, grilling, and all the other add-ons you can buy for this. And it doubles nicely as a nice little place to sit if it's raining. You can come back in here, keep yourself out of the rain. All right, so there are a couple optional features on this one. You see that front bumper right there. That's an optional add-on to this particular one, and these tires. I really like bigger tires, and I think it just kind of fills in this whole truck. The black wheels, black top, black front bumper, grille. All right, let's check under the hood. This one has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. This is a great level of the Bronco. It gives you everything you need. Doesn't have a lot of like the luxury items, but if you're not looking for the luxury items, the Black Diamond's a good way to go. So the manufacturer's suggested retail price on this is just under $41,000. It's a great deal for getting all that for a good SUV, good off-road, good looking car, and the ability to take top off. Thanks for watching Ford of Upland. We'll see you next time. I gotta get out of here. Time to go take the top off and head to the beach.